Like pumpkin pie? It's Halloween and I'm recovering from COVID, so my spooky season video crafting fun Halloween decorations didn't happen. I'm Scot McDonald with Pacific Northwest Suburban Homesteading. Last Thanksgiving, I recorded the preparation of the entire traditional family feast. Today, I'm launching our holiday season early with pumpkin pie recipe. It's pumpkins. That counts for Halloween, right?
Pumpkin pies, but our family style pumpkin pies.
Because mine are different. And I never make my own crust. Because pumpkin pie, the crust don't matter anyway. And these you have to take out of the fridge at least 2 hours before you're ready to use them or they don't roll out.
Yeah, so just use whatever crust you want.
If you want to make your own, fine. I just don't have time or the energy for it. So. But these work just great for pumpkin pie. And this recipe makes 2 pies out of 1 pound of pumpkin. And it's got to be pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie mix.
Specifically,
Yeah,
pure pumpkin.
pure pumpkin. Because I've made that mistake before. I've ended up with pumpkin mix, and that's not.
Because the store-bought pumpkin pie mix has high fructose corn syrup and other unpleasant.
Well, it has all kinds of stuff in it, and not enough spice.
It definitely not spice.
In my estimation, nothing has enough spice, so I make now. But it takes a minute to prep and you don't have to poke it full of holes. You're not making a cream pie. You're just making pumpkin pie. All right, now, the one thing you have to do with pumpkin pie is you must mix your sugar and your spices together. Give me a spoon. The sugar, and it's got 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we've got cinnamon. There's a tablespoon of cinnamon, a half a tablespoon of ginger, and a quarter of a tablespoon of cloves, and a little bit of nutmeg.
Best way for nutmeg, buy yourself one of these little microplane graters and just get some whole nutmeg. That way we can get some fresh nutmeg.
The spice in this is twice as much as if you were to make a pumpkin pie recipe from scratch.
For normal people.
From normal people, because we like it spicy in our household, so everything is doubled. You mix your sugar and your spices in first. Scotty, you
Yep.
go ahead and
Break me some eggs.
break me 4 eggs in that big bowl.
I can do that.
I like my spices a little mixed so they don't get clumped into one spot. Take a fork and mix those up really good. It doesn't matter, just as long as they're mixed. And this is pure pumpkin, nothing else. Yeah. Mix the eggs and the pumpkin up. And I've never been the cleanest with anything, so. Yeah. Now your sugar goes in. Okay, now we will start the stir process. Because this takes the time.
Evaporated milk.
Yes, 2 cans per can of pumpkin. And you always mix one before you try and mix the other.
Otherwise, you'll be stirring all day.
Well, it just won't mix up, so therefore it won't make right. This guy's always got stuck with his job anyway.
With the human mixer when I was a kid? Yeah.
Well, I didn't have a mixer then. And we've always cooked together, so that helps too. Now I do the division kind of weird, but that's the only way I know of dividing 2 pies into 2 is just one at a time. Now he would tip it up and pour half and half, but
Not anymore.
size label you got?
That's the biggest ladle I got.
Ah, she brought my own. Yeah, I'll do 4 the other one that way. I get them and leave it.
Legally?
Well, I do 4 and then I'll divide it up as it goes. Because they will fill your pie tins all the way. And you got your oven on
Yep.
25.
The oven is set to 425 degrees.
I think it's supposed to be 4 to 15, but I forgot to look. But 425 for 15 minutes won't hurt anything. That was 4, right?
I think that was 5 or 6.
5. Yeah.
We can go back and look at the video later and see how many that was.
It's get the swap then. Screw it. Getting it everywhere. And this is not the cleanest job in the world because frankly pumpkin is not clean.
It's gooey and, liquid.
And it's spicy, so it's got a lot of.
Get to smell that. It smells so good already.
Well, you did the fresh nutmeg. That helps.
Yep.
But you're always one for the nutmeg, so. That should do it. Now,
There.
your oven's at 425,
Use that as a scraper.
but it only stays that way for 15 minutes. Then you turn it down and bake it for another 50 minutes.
Oh, if you want. Extra pair of hands everywhere, right?
No, that's for darn sure. Okay, there we go.
Into the oven with it, right?
The oven, and you set your timer for 15 minutes, then turn your oven down to 350 for another 50 minutes.
One in. Two in. 15-minute timer set. Just dropping it to 350. On my oven, that means you have to turn it off and then turn it back on and set to 350. And then how much time are we putting this one for, Mom?
50 minutes.
50?
50, yeah, 50.
50 minutes.
There's a way to tell whether pumpkin is done or not.
Okay, what's that way?
A knife.
Because, oh, those look gorgeous. Not done yet. Or actually, they're done.
They're done. Knife is clean.
Or mostly clean anyway.
Yes. Clean as it's gonna get for that.
And that means we just pull them
That
out.
means just take them out. Oh.
Oh, that is. Oh, look at those. Those are gorgeous. First one's out.
I hope you enjoyed Scott and Mom demonstrating the family version of this holiday classic. The recipe is on the screen, but I also have it linked in the description if you want to get a copy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, be curious, keep an open mind, and never stop learning.